Hello, my name is Margaret Van Speybroeck. I'm a student at Wartburg College, majoring in business administration with concentrations in supply chain management and marketing, and I also have a minor in organizational public relations. This past summer, I worked as an intern at communications engineering company. My exact role was administrative sales support, and I'm excited to share a little bit about my experience with the internship as well as the Ignite program. Some of my main responsibilities at CEC included working with the marketing and sales support team, handling data analysis, and also boosting social media engagement. I also created, updated, and corrected configurations for customers and validated that data across Excel. Another big part of my role was assisting with and reviewing sales quotes orders and presenting some of the projects I worked on over the summer to leadership. One of the biggest projects that I'm still currently working on is creating proactive maintenance quotes for CEC's vendors. The Ignite soft skills framework that I was given in my internship supported my growth immensely. It helped me build stronger communication skills, which allowed me to connect with the company's higher ups on a more professional level. I also gained a lot of exposure to many different areas of business, including sales, marketing, operations, projects management in the Ignite modules. And I kind of just became more aware of how these all intertwine with each other. Ignite really helped me personally, academically, as well as professionally, and the skills that I was given just kind of helped me feel more confident in giving presentations in class, asking my professors for help, but also just to take that initiative in group projects as well as doing my own work, kind of taking on that leadership role. It helped me feel more confident stepping into that professional environment, how to be more resourceful with the tasks that I was given, complete tasks with minimal questions, as well as advice just to how to stand out in the workplace. That really helped me in my internship.
Hey, my name is Josh Forscht. I am the manager of talent acquisition here at CEC. I run and oversee our internship program, ensuring both managers and interns are set up for success throughout the summer and allowing them to receive that on the job training they can take with them as they kickstart their career. We have been partnering with Ignite for about 4 years now, in addition to, of course, being a long-term member of NSCA. And just in those 4 years, we have had a number of success stories. We've had multiple interns that have returned to us the following summer, and we've even had one individual who became a full-time employee upon college graduation. These opportunities would not have been possible if not for Ignite's financial support and guidance in helping us build our internship program as a whole. I want to thank you all for being a valued partner. Say congratulations on 25 years, and we look forward to 25 more.